Hey coffee lovers and holiday dreamers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the Gingerbread Latte lab, where cozy spices meet coffee science to create the ultimate festive drink. If you love warm gingerbread cookies and creamy lattes, this experiment is about to become your new favorite holiday ritual. Let's get brewing. First, let's talk ingredients. For this gingerbread magic, you'll need 1 cup of milk, dairy or your favorite plant-based, 2 shots of hot espresso or strong coffee, 1 tablespoon molasses, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, whipped cream, and a dusting of cinnamon for topping. Now let's fire up the Gingerbread Latte Lab. Step 1. Build the gingerbread base. In a small saucepan over medium heat, whisk together the molasses, brown sugar, ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Let it warm until everything melts into a smooth, fragrant syrup. Your kitchen should already be smelling like Christmas cookies. Step 2. Add the milk. Pour in the milk and whisk until hot and steamy, but don't let it boil. This helps the spices blend perfectly into the milk for that classic gingerbread flavor. Step 3. Brew the coffee. Pull 2 shots of espresso or prepare strong brewed coffee. Pour it into your favorite holiday mug. Step 4. Add the spiced gingerbread milk into your mug and stir gently. Top with whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and maybe even a tiny gingerbread cookie if you're feeling extra festive. And there you have it, your homemade gingerbread latte straight from the holiday lab. If you loved this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what drink I should experiment with next. Happy sipping! Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffeelover.